Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I am back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. So, what are we making today? Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. We are making super porp. I'm sorry, I've been meaning to make this one for like so long, and I kept putting it off, so I do apologize. Thank you for the suggestion. Sorry it took me 40 years, but now I'm 40 years older and wiser, so maybe I won't mess it up. I'm afraid I'm going to because I'm basically making kombucha and I've never had to do that. Look, I even got a Scooby doopy Scooby, you know? And I didn't have all the supplies either and all of that good stuff, so, and I was also watching videos, so I currently have a gallon of tea in here, but I didn't put the sugar in there, so I'm about to go do that now. So let me do that real quick. I think we're good. Look at my tea. But yeah, anyway, we're making super porp by Marceline. We have something right up here. We literally only need like 5 ingredients, and we have the super porp theme right down here. So let me get ready to sing it. Super porp, it hits the spot. It messes up your train of thought. If you're thirsty and out of shape, get down on the fizzy grape. Super porp, Marceline. Thank you, Marcy. Thank you. So this is also going to take me a while because it's currently December 22nd. So I think it's gonna take me like 9 days, is what it said. So there is that. So let's go ahead and see and read what appears. Man, super porp was around forever, but they don't really make it anymore. Something must have happened at the factory. Anyway, I did some messing around, and this should replicate its hyper addictive flavor. How fun. How fun. As you can see, I did put the sugar, so this is now sugared tea. It also calls for like plain kombucha, and I couldn't find it, so I gave up and found like pomegranate or some shit. So, and I'm just nervous about the SCOBY. I've always wanted to try making kombucha. I just never had the courage to, you know, botulism and all that good shit. I actually don't know if that ends up applying. Yes? Food safety. Make sure you are knowledgeable on food safety. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I just can't hide it. So, and I will also address the tortero in the room. My other chef hat is somewhere around my apartment. It will find me, and I will find it when the time is right. As in, I looked everywhere and I couldn't find it. I gave up, and I saw from this hat, and I said, "Ooh, yes, chef hat backup." It's kombucha. I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up. This is my first time ever making kombucha, and SCOBY. I was going to try making SCOBY. That's too much for Elmo, I'll be honest. Even though it's letting them ferment, but I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and get this, and you guys will see the end of it in like a couple seconds, and I'll see it in 2 weeks. Let's do this! Here are all the ingredients. Well, not much. It's still steaming. Still pretty hot. All right, so let's go ahead and read what we have to do. Add the sugar to the tea while the tea is hot. That way it dissolves before it cools. Pour the tea solution in store-bought kombucha in a very clean 1-gallon glass jar. Oy, ay. A little less than a gallon, but that's okay. Dude, I'm nervous. With very clean hands, place the SCOBY in the jar. I don't want to smell it. I didn't know what to expect. Okay, so look at it. I don't know if you can. Darcy B. I'm gonna call you Petunia. It should float, but don't worry if it sinks at first. Cover the jar with a cloth or a coffee filter and secure it with rubber bands around the top of the jar. Super porp needs to breathe. Okay, with very clean hands. Is it supposed to look like that? Those are my fingers, actually. It did sink. Don't panic. Allow to sit in a warm spot in the kitchen for 6 to 9 days. You have made kombucha, but in order for it to carbonate and turn into super porp kombucha soda, you would need to do a second fermentation step? Oh, I thought 9 days was going to, okay. Pour the grape juice into a separate, very clean 1-gallon glass jar. Fill the rest of the jar with the kombucha base, leaving about an inch of space.
I don't see the SCOBY. Like, I don't see it. But I did Google and it said it was fine. But I didn't read very much of the article, so it could cost me my life.
At the top of the jar. Cover the jar tightly with its lid and allow it to sit at room temperature for 5 days. So I had to do it for like 2 weeks. That's actually exactly 2 weeks. Math. You can start another batch using the same SCOBY and replacing the store-bought kombucha in the recipe with the leftover kombucha you now have.
Cover the jar tightly. I have this. Do you think this will be tightly? 5 more days.
Okay, it's time for me to take out the super porp from fermentation because it has been about 5 days. I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna try not to look at it until I bring it out here. Okay, give me a second. Okay, are you guys ready to see it? The reveal! Dude, is this kombucha? Dude, okay, well, hold on. What does it sound like if I open it? Ready? It didn't make a psh noise. Alright, let me smell it. Smells like kombucha. It did ferment for 5 days. Okay, let's try it. There she is. There she be. Here she is. Let me smell it. I smelled it a little bit earlier. It does smell like kombucha, but I just feel like I did the fermentation thing wrong, but I'm not sure. But let's give it a shot and see if I die. For science. That tastes pretty good. Dude. Okay. It's good. It's also a little hot. This tastes fantastic, actually. Holy crap. I made kombucha. Ah! Oh my god, that's so crazy. Oh my god, it tastes amazing. Oh my gosh. So, we finally finished Super Porp. It just took 40 years, so thank you for being patient with me there, but I'm so happy with it. I'm excited to put the rest of them in the containers and just have them for like, maybe about a week, I'd say. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good guess. But I did it! Oh my god, I thought it was gonna go bad! I thought it was gonna go bad! And it took so long, because fermentation. But I'm happy. I'm really happy with the results. Yay! So thank you again so much for the suggestion. Again, thank you so much for being patient with me. If you've been keeping an eye out on this particular recipe, there it is. Kombucha isn't that hard to make. Unless I did make it wrong and I will not know the effects until way later. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm just really happy with how this turned out. Because, like, I can taste the kombucha, but it's not like... I thought it was going to be an overpowering thing, but all I taste is, like... I mostly taste the tea and the grape soda, but yeah, and a little of kombucha. So, hell yeah, brother. Heck yeah. The flavors blend so well, so... This went great. This went amazing. 20 out of 10. Have you guys ever tried kombucha? I know kombucha can be like an acquired taste, or like either you like it or you don't. Like it's totally understandable. It's not everybody's cup of tea. Because we used black tea. Oh, you're so funny. But it's not everybody's cup of tea, and I completely understand that. This was really cool to make. This was just a whole bunch of learning experiences, and I'm just really happy with the results. So I do enjoy kombucha. would I try making this again? Yeah, actually I would, with like some friends, because I have a few friends who have been wanting to make kombucha for a while. So yeah, I totally would. But if there's anything else that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time cookbook, here is a list of options right here for you. Pause to read if you need. I won't be doing any silly things this time. Psych. Okay, sorry, that scared me. But anyway, yeah. Please let me know what you guys thought about this video in the comments down below. If you guys would try making kombucha yourself, or if you have, how did it go? Or if you have like a flavor, if you have like a favorite flavor. So, or just let me know what you want me to make next. Just be like, Sarah, I want this, and then it'll take months. It'll take months, but it'll happen. Okay. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video until the end. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you guys had a good time. I definitely had a good time, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not, you're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye! Oh, it's recording. I guess I'll pose. 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 I'm not even going to use any of these. Hey, do I look tough? I am tough. Nope, I couldn't think of anything else to say. I think we're good. Okay, so it's time for me to take out. Oh, I still got some dishes out here.